If you are looking for the best PC cleaner, the best Windows cleaner, which is also free and reliable and also safe, then this tutorial is for you. So you need to open your favorite browser. So my favorite is actually Microsoft Edge, and here you need to type PC Manager. You must have heard about PC Manager provided by Microsoft, which is actually a cleanup PC software, and you can use it absolutely free. So you don't have to pay any amount for any software. You don't have to install any third-party software. This is actually a Microsoft product, and I will let you know how you can get that for free. So you need to type in the Google or in Bing, you just need to type PC Manager, and the first result will come pcmanager.microsoft.com. Please make sure that you only visit this website, pcmanager.microsoft.com. Once you click on that, a new window will appear like this, and very soon we will have a Microsoft website in front of us, and then I'll let you know what needs to be done. So here we have this Microsoft PC Manager. Safeguard your PC in a way, quiet and reliable way. And the best part is it is also compatible with Windows 11. So you can use it on Windows 10, Windows 11, Windows 8.1, Windows 8, as well as Windows 7. But as far as the compatibility is concerned, it will work best with Windows 10 and Windows 11. So here we just need to click on download. I will also mention this link in the description box in case if you do not find it. And here we have this, it's getting scanned and it's getting downloaded. So the overall size of this file is very light. So it will not take huge resources of your computer. It's just a 4 MB file, below 4 MB file. So isn't that good? So let me know in the comment section if you're using this PC Manager already, or you're going to use this software. So you just need to download it, and the moment it is downloaded, you just need to open that and install it. I hope you have enjoyed this very short tutorial, guys. Please hit the like and subscribe, and please leave a comment if you have successfully installed this software. I'll make a next tutorial how to use it in an effective manner. If you need a video, please leave a comment on the comment section. I will make a very descriptive video on that, which will be very helpful for cleanup and for the faster PC. Have a wonderful day.